Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And remember to give me a thumbs up on my video after you finish watching it. Hi. Today you can see I'm still wearing the same because I also filmed this video together with the previous video. So I'm wearing this one is from Alexander McQueen hoodie and also this Supreme track pants. Okay, you can see today I'm sharing with you this I would say not really unboxing because I already used this item once, but just that I want to share with you guys this item that I got it. So as you can see from the heading, yes, from this item is from Christian Dior home. This one is the men's Dior item. Okay, so I just put everything back in the bag. So this one, it comes with a black paper bag. This is all in black, and also the wording Dior is in black in color, so you can't really see it until you are very close and near to this, and then you'll see this is from Dior. But I guess this one they already changed the packaging. This one is black. Now I guess they have changed to blue in color. So maybe I show you nearer this paper bag first. Okay, so let me remove this item. Okay, so basically, okay, actually this item doesn't come with a box, but I request a box from my sales associate, and he gave me one of these box, and I think this box should be the from the Dior ladies one. So and because this one they do not have a box, but I request a box so I can put the item back nicely to maintain it. So let's start with the so-called unboxing to share with you guys what I got it. Okay, so basically this item is only come with a dust bag. So basically the dust bag is also black in color. It's also same as the paper bag. As you see, the Dior wording is in black in color. It's only on one side of the dust bag. Okay, so we shall start and I share with you what I got it. Okay. This is Dior. Okay, this one is so-called like a full sling bag. This is full leather sling bag. Basically I got this sling bag is because this is not by Kim Jones, because this was the last collection from the previous designer. I think it's called Chris. So but I get he went to another designer house, Baruti. So for me it's quite meaningful because since this is his last collection, so and I really like this logo very much, and later I shall show you guys nearer. Here written Christian Dior. So actually I quite like this collection very much, so I got this bag, sling bag. Basically there is only two zip here. This is on the front, but this zip you couldn't really hold much actually. So basically you can just put some cards only. The wallet it can't be put it in also. And it come with sling also, but the sling is in it's not in leather. It's just a normal sling. So basically Okay. So basically, this one, let me take out all the tissue. Basically, inside, later I show you all nearer. Basically, I think inside is only one side pocket only. Yeah, it's only one side pocket. So basically, this one, you can put the sling on it and you can sling it. Okay, so basically you can just link this back. Yeah, to me it's quite unique because this design is like a haversack, but it's a miniature haversack in a sling bag. So basically I think this one you can sling it this way, and actually you also can carry this way out if you want to, or actually if you don't put the sling, you can also hold like a different kind of clutch outside here also. Yeah, so this is the so-called this item I share with you, and actually it also come with this B also, this Dior B. So this is like a back charm. Yeah, it's made of leather, so you can just put it here. Yeah, you can just put it here in this way to display with together with the bag. Yeah, but I think this is also quite expensive. They do, and I heard from my sales associate that they need to sell this also in the boutique itself. Yeah, so this is another item that I wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, maybe I shall show you all nearer. Yeah. So this is how you can sling it also. Yeah. Okay. So basically this is the back charm. Is come with, is totally made in leather, and also there are some the stitches on it here. So here written embossed with Dior. Yeah. And behind of the B there is nothing, so only the front part here there's white printed on it. Yeah. And this is the my Dior bag, and you can see this one is the logo here. Okay, there's a zip here and also another zip here. So as I mentioned, this one is only you can just put your hand in, and this one there is also one side behind side pocket that isn't any come with any zip. Yeah. Hope you guys like my so-called unboxing video today to share with you the item that I got few months back. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. And remember to click the subscribe button if you yet to subscribe to my channel, and also remember to give me a thumbs up on my video if you like and enjoy my video. Thank you. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.